Hello, Garbanzofest. This is Peggy Aylsworth reading my poem, Mr. and Mrs. Garbanzo, generously included in their Garbanzo Literary Journal. Light in the shape of a bird. Pink flamingos with the mind of Uberman. They speak in tongues more eloquent than Heraclitus. What is one to think of birds in a lush green setting, railing at the comedy of critical comparison? A woman solves the problem of subatomic waste, drives a Lamborghini. She flies to Mogadishu in a private jet for a boring conference and escapes the sneers of jealous colleagues. Another woman in the mountains of Albania serves biryani to her husband and their 7 sons. Tired of listening to her neighbor's gossip, she walks a mile to market, glad of the open air. Wide and narrow, simple and complex, the birds refuse the trap of choice, their spindly legs firm on the marshy ground, long necks craned to catch the current of the wind. Have a blast!